Okay, so Rick has just checked into Green Valley. This is the area you check in at. It has a bar and a coffee shop with Starbucks stuff in it. There's Katie and Rick. Oh, we're on the same level as the casino. You got it, Rico?
Yeah.
Alright, we're all seeing this for the first time. Alright, so we're walking in. There's the door. Is this a closet or a bathroom? Ooh, a bathroom. We got shelving in the bathroom. Nice private bathroom stall. Shower with a tub next to it. This is cute. Not as cute as that.
Oh, no.
Let's see here. So it's got two different. This is like a closet like in a house. That's cool. Snazzy. Little night lamps. TV. What's in here? There's a safe. And there's a fridge. It's probably a mini bar. Don't touch anything. No, it's empty.
Huh.
There's the sexy beast. And let's see what the view is.
Jack that down, please.
Not much of a view.
60?
As far as you can go.
No, this way.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. It goes down to 60. The last New York was 65. So, all right. Well, that's pretty much it from the room tour. Yeah, it's a basic room. It seems pretty nice though. It's really close. It's on the same floor as the casino, so it shouldn't be hard to walk out there. So, all right. Well, if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on What We Find Fun. Thanks.